Hello!
Hello.
It's the 18th of May and we're at Torveen Caravan Park on the outskirts of Inverness. And guess what? It's somebody's birthday today.
Me.
He's 21 again and again and again and again.
That's not
and
fair.
again and again.
You're older than me.
No. Apparently he's 29. He got to 29 and never aged.
Correct.
No. But there you go. So that's where we are. And we're walking down the canal.
Yeah, so as Heather said, we are walking along the Caledonian Canal. Behind us in the distance is Fort Augustus, Loch Ness, which, if you've been following the vlogs, follows on from yesterday when we left Fort Augustus. We got to our campsite. We didn't do a great deal yesterday. We'd got admin stuff to do, sorting the boot of the van out, getting stuff out for the second week of the holiday. Did a load of washing, which I was in charge of while Heather was cooking the dinner. We did have a quick walk into Inverness just to scope out what we were going to do today, but there was no point really filming that because we're going to do the same sort of walk today, so we had a camera free day pretty much, although like I say we didn't get here till gone midday anyway, so consequently we were filming in the morning. Inverness looks quite a busy city. If it is a city, I think it is, isn't it?
I think so.
It's certainly advertised as the capital of the Highlands, so I'm going to say it's a city. For me, I'm quite happy today. As Heather said, it is my birthday, and there's a car show on in the city today, so I'll get to look.
I had it organised with the
council.
With the council.
Yeah. So yeah, I get to see a few old cars. We're going to have something to eat and just a general look round, so come and have a look if you like.
And for those that asked about what's it like walking, it's very level. You're following a canal. The same with if you follow the river, it's pretty much level. A couple of miles tops into Inverness, isn't it?
Yeah.
But if you're okay walking on the level,
it's all good.
It's all good.
We seem to be having lots of locks on this visit. We've got to cross over anyway. So there's that little boat we've just seen. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Scottish dog there. Yeah, so we're just coming into Inverness town centre now. This is actually the River Ness that flows through, and you can see just up there there's a fair few churches and steeples. Right up in the distance past that bridge is the castle. Looks like the castle's having a bit of work done. I think this would be my own worst nightmare, showing my car with all these people clambering round. So we've got a Morris Traveller there and a Beetle. Another Traveller. I think this is the actual correct colour that Heather's dad had. It's like an almond green, isn't it? I think it's called. Here's a Citroen Diane. Was that the colour of your dad's?
Yeah.
There we go. I'll take your photo by it in a minute. Got another Beetle here. And another Traveller.
Right near the maple tree, and she said, "Little eyes, I love you, honey. Little eyes, I love you. I love you in the springtime and the fall. Little eyes, I love you, honey. Little eyes, I love you. I love you the best of all." It was not you that I did see behind the garden wall. It was honey, little eyes, I love you in the springtime and the fall. Little eyes, I love you, honey, little eyes, I love you the best of all.
Not that I do motorbikes, but there are a few knocking about. If you like motorbikes. So, back in the day when Heather was a motorbiker girl, she says BSA stands for
Birmingham Small Arms. Or even bloody sore arse.
apparently they weren't the most comfortable bikes to be on. Oh dear, we've had a busy morning wandering around Inverness looking at cars, much to Heather's.
I don't mind.
She doesn't mind, and it is my birthday, don't forget. We're going to find somewhere to have something to eat now. It's nearly 1 o'clock, and then we'll crack on and have another look round. So we have come out of the city centre to find somewhere to eat. We're not sure if this place is going to be open, to be honest. Martin McFly's let himself go. We're not sorry, I can't possibly use that, can I? Yeah, of course you can, it's your birthday. We've come out of the town centre, as I say. It's a bit noisy and a bit busy, and Poppy's already been trodden on. It says home cooking and real ales, two of my most favourite things, along with two others there, look. Well, unfortunately, no dogs allowed, which is a rarity these days. A lot more places are accepting dogs. Yeah, it's not exactly a wine bar and restaurant, is it? Anyway, their loss. So after the little bit of a disappointment of the last pub not taking dogs, Heather's found this one, and apparently they've got a huge choice of craft beers. Not necessarily as good a choice of food, but we'll live with that. Well, I couldn't decide which one to have, so I've had a third of a pint of 4 of them, because that makes a pint, doesn't it? What do you mean, no? Is it more?
Yeah, it's more than a pint, isn't it?
Oh yeah, bad maths, you see. Anyway, there's 27 to choose from.
So that one's number 8, which is the Goldfinch.
8.
8,
Yeah.
which is the Session IPA, gluten-free one. The one in the middle is number 25,
25.
which is Red Kite Amber Ale, but it's in the cask. And then this one is the Red Kite number 12, and it's got nitro in brackets, and it's another amber ale.
Nitro. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Happy birthday to me, but not to you. More beer, more beer. She's.
Did you tell anybody that what I had?
I don't know what you had.
I had their own organic natural cider.
Save the planet, drink organic, apparently. It says up there. It must be true. Yeah, Heather's found a blinder here. She can stop another day. That was a fantastic choice by Heather. Very glad that in the end that pub didn't allow dogs, because plenty beers in there. Lovely, loads of choice. Here we are then, this is the parade. So, where are you from?
I'm Charlene from South Florida.
And I'm Joni from Jupiter, Florida.
There you go.
And
Well,
we've
you're
been friends for
25 years.
well, 25 years. That's a long time.
we decided
So-
to come over and celebrate her birthday.
Yeah.
And she has the birthday the day before mine.
We're just off the cruise ship.
All right. Okay.
Yep.
Well, there you go. So in a couple of weeks, look on the channel, and you'll be on it.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Rick. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, YouTube. We are currently walking along the banks of the Inverness, heading back to the campsite. Fantastic afternoon. I realised there probably wasn't much camper content filmed there or any touristy content of Inverness, but safe to say a really nice birthday has been had so far. That was a fantastic find, that little pub that Heather found there. By default, really. Thanks, really, that the original pub didn't allow dogs. Sodom. That's what I say. So yeah, amble back to the site now. Don't really know what's going to happen on the way. We'll see what does, shall we? Join us. Join us, why not? Sorry, I've gone completely to pot. Look what we found. We've actually found where they film Shooting Stars and the Pub Singer.
Sway me slow, sway me now.
Lovely.
You know how.
It
Sway me slow.
is just like that, apparently. How's it go?
Oh, dee ho.
It's perfectly tuned. Can you stop dragging me into pubs? I mean, I know it's my birthday and that, but people will get the wrong idea. Look at the Inverness. Isn't it lovely?
Glistening.
Glistening in the sun.
Yes, the sun's finally come out on us.
It did say, to be honest, after 3 o'clock it was going to get really sunny, and it certainly is. It's really, really nice though. Them two American ladies we met were nice, weren't they?
Yeah.
Hello, American ladies, if you ever watch this. They did take a note of the channel name.
Charlene and Joni.
Charlene and Joni. Kind of like Laverne and Shirley, I believe. Hey, no, Joni and Chachi. Joni loves Chachi. Do you remember that, American ladies? Hello. If they ever watch this, please comment below. You were lovely. So, this morning we walked along the Caledonian Canal on the way into Inverness. We're doing a circular on the way back and just following the Inverness back to the site. It is a fair walk into the town. I think it was about 2 miles, wasn't it? No. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. I appreciate it might not made much of a YouTube vlog, but for a birthday, beers, pizza and cars, what else does a man need?
Poppy and Heather.
Well, yeah, I suppose.
Heather and Poppy. Athena. You know.
Well, Athena will be very, very useful in about an hour when I have a nana nap. Yeah, so this is where the River Ness splits in two. We're just about to walk over the bridge onto Ness Island. Woo, sounds spooky. So this is where this morning's vlog started. We walked off down there into Inverness along the canal. Right, this is the site we're stopping on. There is a dishwashing, a laundry. There's reception. Bins are there. It's just a circular, I'm not going to go around it. There are huts there, toilets there, Huts are all the way round, you can hire out. Grass pitches in the middle are 30 quid a night. It's 2 quid a night for a dog. These are slightly more expensive because these are service pitches but on grass, and we're on a service pitch on hard standing. They're even more expensive. I can't remember what it was, about 36 quid a night or something. I think we've paid 72 quid for 2 nights, but 4 quid of that is the dog. If I'm wrong, I will correct it on a graphic. It's quite a busy campsite really, but it got us where it needed to be, and there you go. As I say, we're on a service pitch. We've got water, drainage and hookup. It was really quiet overnight, can't complain. I know these type of things don't suit some people, but we were where we needed to be and it suited us.
Well, hello.
Hello!
It's Sunday the 19th of May and we're just about to leave Torveen Caravan Park, which is on the outskirts of Inverness.
We are indeed. We're about as far north as we're going to get on this trip now. Inverness was going to be the most northerly point. We've come up the west coast. We're across the top, if you like, now, and we're going to head east. Our next destination is a place called Cullen. So if you want to watch that one, join us on the next video. If you've liked this one, do what the screen says now, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.